Welcome to the circus.
Oh no! She just, oh no! No, it's a spider now! What do we do?
See, I'm your worst nightmare.
That doesn't sound good at all. Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we are here at Land of Illusion up here in Middletown, Ohio. This is a multi-attraction scream park. They've actually got 6 full-size haunts here, and we are gonna take you through all 6 of them tonight. Right up next is Killer Klowns, and if you've been watching our videos here of any amount of time, then you know these guys do not clown around. Let's see what they got new for this year.
Popcorn.
Welcome to the circus.
Hello.
They look so
Welcome! This is the show! The most thing y'all should know! I'm the host, and you love the most! Come on!
Come on, over here! This way, don't mind the chickens. Oh my God, there's chickens everywhere. Oh, what is that? No! She just puked up a spider! She just puked up a spider! Oh my God! No.
Oh God.
What he did is he cut my nose right off. But it was for a good reason, because I tried to kill him.
Don't try to kill people!
Not a weasel.
Your head will look real good! Smash into my sledgehammer! What do you say? I came away!
Great in here.
I love you like my kitty does as much as I do! Try it!
It's wonderful.
I promise it's not toxic at all! Look! Look at my cotton candy machine! How do you like it? I took it all!
The cotton candy machine.
I think I got it again! What is that?
Oh,
Is that
where did it come from?
Oh, what? Oh, no, it's a spider nose! Oh my God, no! Oh, I don't want it! No! God! Okay. That way? Oh, you got a chicken!
I got something for you.
Oh, no!
Oh God.
But you can't win it for ours, so you can play the next one.
Wow!
We're gonna play that one. It's so fun.
Oh God.
What do we do? Play it? Oh, I don't know. I think we just keep going. I don't know.
I think so, yeah. You gonna shoot us?
I think you won.
I think we go that way. Wow. Oh, no.
You were mighty hungry.
Oh, it's a marshmallow. Let go. What are you doing? Come on.
Anybody got a quarter?
Oh my
We
God.
found Ethan.
The clowns have ganged up on us.
in timeout.
He's in timeout.
Time out. Woo.
Oh, it's pinball.
You know what's so interesting about you humans?
Nothing's scary.
You guys are like moths to a flame. You see a light and you have to go follow.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're looking for you. I'm the thing that takes away the light. See, I'm your worst nightmare.
That doesn't sound good at all.
See, I am Jingles the Jester.
Jingles the Jester.
Advocate of agony.
Yes.
And you all probably think that we're here for your entertainment, huh?
We're here.
You're wrong.
We did buy a ticket.
You're all here for ours.
Uh-oh.
Oh
Get
no.
out of the wall!
Oh God. What are they doing?
Uh-oh. Oh God.
What are they doing?
Oh man. This is not look
ritual?
good.
Oh, yeah.
Here. Oh God. What is it?
When you sleep, you hear a little jingle.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, what did it give you?
A jingle bell.
Oh.
It's game time!
Game time? Oh,
Lights
lights
out.
out?
Yes, turn your light.
Oh God.
Oh,
What are they doing?
Oh God.
something bad's about to happen.
Do we go?
I think we go.
Go ahead. Uh-oh, they're yelling our names.
Oh, the whole room's upside down.
It is. Oh, it smells great. Oh, that's
Oh, God.
good. Oh, it smells good. Oh, goodness.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh man.
Thunder spiders!
I don't need any spiders. I don't. No. I don't want that. Please stay. No, 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 no! There is no spider nose.
All right, so that was it for Killer Klowns. As always, one of the better clown haunts that we go to. Let us know what you thought down in the comments, and we still have one more left to go, and that is Dr. Psycho's. Let's go get some scares.